Kia too technical. So today I just wanted to go over the camera modes on your OnePlus 15. So first you just need to find your camera app. Once you go into your camera app, these are some of the functions that you get in modes. So first you get master. So you can have auto or pro mode, and master pro mode lets you have more control over the IS, EV, AF, white balance. You also have video mode. We all know what that is. You also have photo mode, your portrait photo mode, text scanner, and then if you come here, you get more. So you get your night mode, you get HI, high res, pano, pro video. So if you click on this just gives you more control to your iOS, again, EV, AF, and white balance. You also get your slow-mo, time-lapse, long exposure right here. You get your dual video view, so you can use this device like this to where you can be recording and reviewing something at the same time. So that is good to have. That's called dual view video. You also get underwater, so you can take this underwater up to so many feet. You get document scanner, so if you have some documents you need to scan and send them somewhere, you have access to doing that. So that is good. Then the last one you have is tilt shift, so you can tilt it, shift it for different kind of angles as you see in view. Hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next video. I'm out.